Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Farooq Abdullah here with you people. Today we are going to discuss that what is the difference between auxiliary verbs and linking verbs. Many students come up with this question that sir, there are different words which are used as linking verb as well as they are used as auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. So how can we discriminate between linking verb and a helping verb? So in this video I'm going to make it simple that how you can discriminate between helping verb and linking verb. So first we are going to talk about auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb is also called as helping verb. So what are helping verbs? Helping verbs are actually those kind of verbs which are used with main verb to form a tense in a sentence. I repeat it, that helping verbs are used with main verb to form a tense. These are called helping verbs as well as these are called auxiliary verbs. So you must not get confused that some particular verb is a helping verb or auxiliary verb. Helping verbs and auxiliary verbs are same. So what is the difference then between auxiliary verb and linking verb? First I'm going to give you an example of auxiliary verb. For example, there is a sentence, she has taken tea. Now look here in this sentence, she has taken tea. Now has is a helping verb because it is being used with this main verb taken to form a tense in this sentence, right? So now I'm going to tell you that what are linking verbs. Linking verbs are actually used to link between two nouns, two pronouns, noun and adjective. Actually, linking verb links subject with any other noun, pronoun or any adjective in that sentence. For example, I'm going to give you an example of this sentence. She has a pen. Now see here, in this sentence has also has been used and in the previous sentence has was also used. In that sentence, right, she has taken tea. In that sentence, has was being used as helping verb because that was helping that particular verb taken to form a tense. And now here in this sentence that she has a pen, there is no main verb here in this sentence. Has is the sole verb that is actually linking she with pen. She has a pen. So that is the difference between actually linking verbs and auxiliary verbs. That auxiliary verbs help main verb to form any tense in that sentence, and linking verbs are used just for the purpose of linking. And it is not necessary that there must be only is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had that may be used as helping verb, as linking verb, sorry. There are other verbs as well which can serve the purpose of a linking verb. For example, she seems busy. Now here look at in this sentence, she seems busy. So this word seem, this verb seem is actually the linking verb because it is linking she with that adjective busy. He looks pretty. Now look is being used as a linking verb in this sentence. And let me tell you one thing more, that is am, are, was, were, has, have, had. These are used as helping verbs as well as these are used as linking verbs. So this is actually the scenario in which these particular verbs are being used. Whether these particular verbs are used with main verbs or these are being used just to link subject with any noun, pronoun or adjective in that sentence. So that depends upon the use. So every part of speech, a part of speech may be a noun, it may be an adjective, it may be pronoun as well. That depends upon the use, that how a particular part of speech is being used in this sentence. I hope that you might have got your point clear.